Uptown Swing, Level 2 Classics.
I'm Grace.
I'm Hussein. Today we reviewed the yo-yo on the promenade and added a classic Frankie rhythm to the promenade. This is what it looked like. We had our who, yo-yo.
Together.
We got who,
Together.
and then we had ha, stuff that we reviewed in there was we spent a lot of time on that rhythm. First, we isolated, instead of just doing triple step, we did and triple step, and triple step, and triple step, and triple step. That's a variation that you can put in the rest of your dancing just to replace any of your triple steps. And we practiced that rhythm, just hearing that rhythm, identifying that rhythm, and getting into our body, first clapping and then stepping, which is... So practice that, practice the whole thing together, and practice bringing that triple into the rest of your dancing. That's all. Bye.